Hey sewing friends, it's Alice Murray. Welcome to day 68 of 365 days of Sewing Makes Challenge, where I am attempting to show you every day a different make. People wonder how I'm doing this. Well, some days I sew a lot. Usually Saturday, I sew a lot. And then I sew a bit the rest of the week. And I had a few things already in the queue when I started. I kind of ran out of them. So we'll see. We'll see how far I get. And today, I want to show you this cute little top. It is New Look 6407. You saw this, I think it was on maybe on day 2. I did one that was a short sleeve version. Well, this one is kind of halfway between this version and that version. This is one of my Marvellous One Metres. This is a meter of material from Beavercreek Mercantile. I think it's pretty. And I added a white collar and white cuffs, some pearl buttons, it has darts in the front, darts in the back, it has a 2-piece collar, and kind of an interfacing placket with buttonholes and buttons. My machine makes great, easy peasy buttonholes, so I really appreciate that. This collar does not look like it wants to lay down. Kind of is a little, I don't know, little Elvis. It's a little Elvis on me, I think. The cuffs I thought were kind of big, so I put some buttons on them too. And this top made me decide to show you these things. They call them seam rippers or buttonhole cutters. This is what you use when you make a mistake. I've got a number of different kinds. This is kind of like a little sharp comb. Works pretty good when you're tearing out a seam. And this is, pull out this way, the best buttonhole cutter ever. You could cut your finger off with this, I'm pretty sure. And it has a couple other types of blades that you can put in it. And again, not endorsing any brand, just saying that there's different kinds. And I am grateful, oh so grateful, for seam rippers and buttonhole cutters. I use them a lot on this top. Strangely, for some strange reason, because the material is white and the interfacing is white, I sewed the 2-piece collar inside out basically, so the interfacing was facing out, so I had to tear all that out. I did that also on the cuff. You think if I did it once that would have been plenty, but no, I had to do it twice. So there was a lot of seam ripping going on, and but it all turned out fine in the end. So one more twirl. So thank you, Beavercreek Mercantile, local quilting store extraordinaire. And yeah, I think that turned out okay. And I'm grateful for my seam ripper. And I hope, you know what I hope? I hope that these little videos inspire you. Lots of people have told me that they're thinking about sewing. So I hope that you are sewing, because sewing is so much fun. Even when you have to rip the odd thing out.